Ishaan Khattar, who made his debut in the world of films with Beyond the Clouds in 2018, tasted commercial success with Dhadak in the same year. Even though he's on the verge of making a big name for himself in Bollywood, the debate around nepotism seems to have changed things. In a recent interview with a leading newspaper, the actor spoke about being the younger brother of Shahid Kapoor and how he has no ego about the same. When asked about being recognized as the Kabir Singh actor's brother, Ishaan said that he doesn't feel irked being recognized as Shahid Kapoor's brother. Ishaan says he is very proud of the fact that he is Shahid's brother. He also added that a lot of times people misinterpret his words and his sentences are misconstrued. Ishaan added that he doesn't intend to ride on Shahid's fame or success. If somebody recognizes him as his brother, he says that he doesn't have any ego about it. Ishaan Khattar says, "That's not something that would ever bother me. But I'm very aware of the fact that I started getting recognized as Shahid Kapoor's brother when I was 15 years old. Before that, not many people knew too much about me. I started being seen in one or two places with him, and that's how the media is. There was curiosity about a boy who's coming into a certain age." The actor, however, added that his talent is also something that is making him stay and survive in Bollywood. Ishaan says that he has just begun his journey. He says, "Why should it take away from my talent?" Shahid started off 14 years before him and made a beautiful place and mark for himself. Ishaan says, "I will always be his cheerleader. He's my blood, brother and family. For me, I don't see any reason to try and create a separate sort of identity for myself. That will happen on its own." Ishaan Khattar is now gearing up for Bhoot Police, a horror comedy also starring Katrina Kaif and Siddhant Chaturvedi. He was recently seen in Meera Nair's A Suitable Boy with Tabu. He's also gearing up for a film titled Pipa to be directed by Airlift director Rajakrishna Menon and also has Kali Pili in the pipeline with Ananya Pandey. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.